Good evening, everyone. I'm Sai from Kirin Advisors. I welcome you all to the virtual roadshow of Infinity Infoway Limited. Today, we will provide a brief overview of the company and its innovative business model. So, Infinity Infoway Limited is a SaaS provider of ERP, EdTech, and enterprise solutions for education, manufacturing, retail, and construction. Its flagship products, Campus Management System and Infinity ERP, focus on accounts, HR, students, data management for universities, schools, and small businesses. The company also offers AI-enabled education ERP, IERP, online examination and protocol proctoring systems, QPDS, and digital learning aligned with NEP 2020. From the management side of the company, we have Mr. Bhavesh Kumar Dheeraj Lal Gadhetria. Uh, Good evening and welcome, sir.
Good
Uh,
evening. Thank you.
yeah, Mr. Nikunj Vrajlal Gajera, the whole-time director. Good evening and welcome, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, now we'll play a short corporate video of the company.
At Infinity Infoway Limited, we believe the future is not only about technology, it's about creating possibilities that empower people, businesses, and communities to thrive with confidence. Since 2008, we have been driving digital transformation with a clear purpose to deliver solutions that make life simpler, smarter, and more connected. From education ERP and digital learning platforms to AI-based industrial ERP, CRM, and SCM. Our products are trusted by universities, enterprises, and businesses across India. Infinity Infoway Limited is an ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 20001-2013 certified IT company in the field of data security. Infinity has empowered more than 1.5 million students through its ERP platforms and patented Zero Touch. Now with Zero Touch DAS, we redefine exam security by eliminating leaks during preparation, printing and distribution. Using advanced automation and minimal human involvement, it ensures confidentiality, trust and innovation in digital education. Infinity Infoway Innovation is powered by strong financial growth and a broad presence across 9 states, 11 industries, and 38 universities. In just 2 years, revenues grew from 517 lakhs in financial year 2023 to 1,319 lakhs in financial year 2025, with PAT rising to 419 lakhs and EBITDA margins at 46.7%, backed by a robust 5,500 plus lakhs order book. Infinity continues to deliver balanced growth across education, industry, and digital learning. Our excellence has been recognized nationwide. We are proud recipients of the National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurship in MSC's Services, conferred by the President of India. Celebrating a culture that blends innovation with integrity and performance. At the heart of Infinity is a family of 136 passionate professionals, creative thinkers, technical experts, and problem solvers.
At Infinity Infoway Limited, we believe technology should not only solve problems but also create opportunities with a focus on AI-driven ERP, digital learning, and innovative platforms like our patented Zero Touch. We are helping industry and institute remain their futures. Our commitment is simple: deliver faster, smarter, and more impactful solutions that stand the test of time. Together with our dedicated team, we are building a company that inspires trust and drives growth for every stakeholders.
United by one mission to drive progress through technology. Together, we have earned the trust of a prestigious clientele, a testimony to the value and confidence Infinity consistently delivers. Guided by the visionary leadership of our founder and managing director, Mr. Bhavesh Kumar Kadetharia, Infinity Infoway continues to grow with integrity, innovation, and a forward-looking spirit that inspires our people and drives the company toward new horizons. We are more than a technology provider. We are partners in transformation. Our education ERP digitizes processes from admissions and exams to placements and student engagement. Our AI-based industrial ERP streamlines production, finance, HR, and customer care. Our digital learning and online exam portals redefine how package is delivered and assessed. And our travel solutions simplify journeys, bringing efficiency and comfort to thousands each day. Innovation is our passion, trust is our foundation, and growth is our promise. As we enter the next era of digital transformation, Infinity Infoway Limited remains committed to creating solutions that matter, scaling new horizons, and shaping a future of sustainable progress. Infinity Infoway Limited, innovation that inspires, growth that lasts.
At Infinity Infoway Limited, our vision has always been clear: to deliver secure, scalable and innovative technology solutions to educational institutes and manufacturing industries. Over the past 17 years, our success has been driven by dedication of our leaders, employee and support of our partners, and the trust of our clients. As we step into new chapter of growth and innovation, we invite you to join hands with Infinity Infoway and together shape the future of technology.
Infinity for infinite solutions.
Okay, now I would like to hand over the floor to Bhavi sir to tell us the journey of the company. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Nair. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this virtual IPO meet. And thank you so much, everyone, for your valuable time. Uh, Friends, before jumping to the presentation of our company, I would like to share about myself. I have done my engineering in 2004 in information and technology. Then I have done MBA. Then I have started my business in 2008 after the doing a job of this just 6 months. So technology in data is my passion, and we have a our complete journey of product development from the software industries to reaching to the customer. So this is very quick about myself. I request Nikun just give me your brief introduction.
Yes, hi everyone. Myself Nikunj Gajera. I am full-time director in Infinity. I am looking operations, sales, and technical. And I have started first line of the education ERP development start when start the development. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, Nikunj. So I request Mr. Nair to share the presentation so we can jump onto that. Yes, so Infinity Infoway Limited is a very prominent technology company. We are into the ERP solutions and SaaS-based company. So our enterprise solution are into the manufacturing industries and the education industries. We have very handsome order book of 55 crore. Then we are focusing into the complete education ERP into the university, colleges, and the few school. In a manufacturing, we have a very strong presence into the multiple industries. Definitely, company is IT, so a lot of the processes, systems, and security technology is required. So our company is ISO 9001 2015 certified, and for the data security, we have a 27001 2013, and we are AI-enabled ERP solutions. We compliance all these cyber security threats, and our solution are very well captured with that. Next, please. I just would like to give a brief about our summaries of the companies. Next, please. Yeah. So we have a 17 year of experience in a business. We have a 136 team size. And currently, we have a 9 states presence, including major states or Gujarat, Maharashtra, MP, and other like Odisha, and more than 9 states we are working. We have, as I mentioned, 55.55 crores and some order book. We are certificate process certified. Currently, we have a 38 universities on board. Just last year, we received new 6 standards. We have a 11 industries in our software portfolios, where our ERP is working. In financial year 2025, we have a top line of 13.19 crores with the bottom line of 4.19 crores. Next, please. So, as I mentioned, we are prominent company. We have a lot of awards and milestone. Next, please. One of the big achievement of our awards is President of India. In 2011, we received outstanding national award, outstanding and in entrepreneurship in MSME. Next, please. So this is the snap of outstanding awards we received from the former President of India. Next, please. So this is our board of director. As I mentioned, myself, Bhavesh, and Nikunj, we are both the technical guys. With me, Rina, he is also joining in our board. He's a non-executive director. Mr. Sri Harsha, he's our independent director. He's a very strong technical domain knowledge in terms of IT and the software industries. He has done his engineering in 1987 in computer science. Mr. Hitesh is also one of our independent director. He is a CA, and he has a 19 years of experience into the finance field. Next. This is our beautiful and talented team who leads our entire company into the next step, who's satisfying our customers. Next, please. So, just coming to the little bit brief about the company, we have a very strong AI-based ERP solutions which we are implementing into the education and manufacturing industries. Our targeted customer are government university, colleges, and the private university. And the manufacturing have a very large client in terms of ceramic, cement, sugar, FMCG. Our revenue model, we always charge one-time license fees, implementation cost to the customers. Then there is a recurring revenue in terms of either AMC or number of users. And third, if there is a change request or new modules to be added, so we are charges for the CR. We have started working with the different digital channels of marketing and the direct channel of marketing. So we have our digital sales team, direct sales, plus the we have a collaborations with other institutes, and where they are our channel partner. One of the USP that our entire ERP is aligned with NEP 2020, which is the very strong initiative of Government of India, and the biggest revolutions into the education field. Next, please. So let's move into the little bit depth about our product. So we are offering 4 major areas which we have mentioned in our prospect also for revenue side. Education ERP, that's completely university and colleges. Industrial ERP, we have a for manufacturing industries. Online examinations, it is for completely university, colleges, coaching classes, the institutes, government organizations for recruitment, and digital learning for supporting of NEP multidisciplinary courses, MDC. Next, please. So we do have a very clear ideas that how we are aligned with our smart ERP for education, which is aligning it of NEP 2020. And in this, the key factors that our entire ERP is cloud-based ERP. We are providing the security of the data. We have a very strong centralized data repository. We have a very semantic workflow for the management of across organizations, and most important that it's very user friendly for users to have a very useful for them into the future aspects. So these are the very key points. Next, please. And we are focusing into the various solutions on a dashboard. Next, please. So these are our dashboard for initiative management online exam software, where they can able to see the real time number of exams appearing, real time students load. The we prevent leakages of the leakaging of the question paper. We have a, concurrency, highest concurrency users for the online examinations, which is the one of a unique in India, that more than a single instance we can able to conduct the exams of more than 1 lakh students. So this is the capability of our solution. Large customers, large students we can cater in a single order. Next, please. So in these scenarios, there is lot of manually processes going for the question delivery system. So now one of our unique USP, we have a patent on this, that is a zero touch. Exactly, zero touch means currently in education system, students are give exams, and this exams is run on a question paper of manually mode. So question paper issued by the professor, get a print from the press and deliver to the college. So this is a manually process currently going on, which is costing a lot. There is a chances of leakages, but we have a found a solution which is there is no human intervention required, completely secured. So no human, no chance of leakages. That's why we call the zero touch as a product. And our zero touch products is a IoT machines which is connected with the software with a large level of in mechanical parts printing. So this machine do automatically printing, do the stapling, do the packaging as per the classroom, and store into the secure device, which is unlocked only and only if the username and password get matched, fingerprints gets match of the authorized person, and the location of exams and machine location get match, and the timing of the exam. So this is our patented technology and one of our objects to raise the fund for this mechanical machine as well. As next, please. Another line of our business, it is our brainjewel digital learning. So in this we are offering online courses. Lot of the free courses we have as of now, and few paid courses. Very few amount of revenue is coming currently, but it is in as per our NEP policies, national education policies. There is a multidisciplinary course is there. So our portal is supporting for the students who are taking elective subject as a MDC from the cross platform, and which is the approval of university certification course. There is a personal development courses, and we have also patent in 2022 which is published, and this is our one of the promising areas where we are going to grow into the market. For the brains work, our target customer is our students, so we are, this is our B2C product. I request next, please. Now, coming to the industry, always manufacturing industries is challenging to handle a large business. So, in terms of management, in terms of inventories, in terms of real time dashboard and sales. So, we have a very prominent and AI based ERP where manufacturing industries are using our cloud based ERP, advanced accounting ERP solutions. We have a dynamic MIS reports. We have a very strong extensive database management, more than 10 TB of the data we are managing with the more than 20,000 plus active users. This is the rapid data grow because every day new data getting added into the system. So our solutions are very well aligned with a scale into future growth. Next, please. This is our online exams portals. Students can give online exams, and it is with the AI based proctoring exam solutions with the face recognitions, multiple threats recognition. Students are not doing any malpractice or cheating So our AI based online exams identify with the proctoring exams. So a lot of universities, prominent private universities are using our solutions for PhD entrance exams, competitive entrance exams, and colleges regular exams also. Next, please. So this was about our product portfolios, what we have done. Now, always being a questions in a finance team, and always people as an investor, how the revenue breakup is there, what is our growth of last 3 years. So, friends, here is financial comparison of the last financial 3 years to the financial 2023, 24, and 25. So we have, as I mentioned, the four line of business: education industries, ERP industries, so manufacturing, online examination, and digital learning. We are growing in all of the line in a year on year. Definitely more than 50% business is coming from our education industries, around 30-35 business coming from manufacturing, and around 15-18% are coming from online exams. So we are this four, and in the next year we have a another line which is a zero touch. So after our IPOs and we deploy the machine in this financial year, we will have one more line of business which is zero touch question paper delivery systems. Next, please. In terms of geographically, definitely we are a Gujarat-based company, so company have spread them wings across the India, but major business is coming from Gujarat as of now. But we have a good presence in Maharashtra. We have a good presence in MP now in this year. So we in this years we have a very good equal business into the multiple state, and other state also we are expanding very well. Next, please. We have a very few and very top prominent client I am highlighting in a top customers: North Gujarat Patan University, Saurashtra University, Atmi Universities. Next, please. We have a manufacturing industries in as in high bond cement, and in technology, Metrobit networks and Scope networks. So these are the top clients what we have into our portfolios. Other universities also in line. Next. Now important is that we have such a beautiful product is developed. This product, next please. Once product is developed, customer have a success ratio, customer accepting it, customer are repeating paying our product. Now it is time how we will scale up fast, how we will scale in a larger way, so our top line increase very well. And when we increase in top line, we have to take care about how our bottom line manage on that. So we have a very planned marketing strategy that ATL, how to we align with the top line marketing areas. So we are using the very different effective areas of the social media, which is a digital marketing. We are using the qualified leads, and we have a very back office sales team which are handling our lead in terms of the private colleges, universities, and the manufacturing industries. And we have a bidding and tender processing. So we have a team who is continuously working on a new tender coming into market. So these are the areas what we work strongly. Now just let's have a next please quick about how the big this bigness size is that. As you know that ERP business is very large. So around in 2024 it was a $65 billion market, and by 2029 it should be around $103 billion market. So it's a very huge market in terms of manufacturing industries. So we have a very good opportunity on that. Next please. And as we are working into the main area is so in education field, also we track about the software market. So in education field, specifically ERP market is in 2028 will be a $1 billion market of education ERP. Next, please. Similarly, we are working with the EdTech. So we also tracking about the EdTech. EdTech market is across the world is very big. Digital education around a $300 billion by 2028. So this is the big markets we are approaching into our business and the prominent solutions what we have. Next, please. So now let's move very quickly about our core competitive advantage. We have an expertise team, domain knowledge expert teams who can work very quickly. We have a NEP AI based NEP enable ERP. We have a successfully implementation experience with the domain knowledge. We have a large experience in terms of technology, and we have a robust product and services. Next, please. So, core business strategy, if we talk about next, zero touch technology is very prominent. Next, please, ma'am. Yeah. So in this portal, I mean, zero touch technology, we are expecting a good midness in the future on this. Similarly, e-learning portal, which is we are going for a B2C, and our existing business are have a prominent portfolios to jump. Next, please. Next. Next. These are the next key financial highlights. It's a very self-explanatory. Our total income are increasing step by step. Our EBITDA and profit are increasing. Next, please. So, other ratios, very key ratios like ROE, ROCI is very good, showing debt to service coverage ratios are and debt to equity ratios are reducing. So, almost we are a debt-free company. Next, please. Current ratio is very good. We have a cash rich companies on this receivable ratio. And so these are the very key ratios. Earning per share ratio is very good. Net assets per share values is going good. Now jump to the financial part. Uh, as we have a grown from 5 crores to the 14 crores around precisely 13.19 crores with the top line, and the bottom line from 93 lakhs to 4 crores with the handsome margin of around 30 to 31%, and EBITDA margin around 40 to 46 to 48% in last 2 years. Next, this is our balance sheet. We have a major investment is our intangible assets, where we have an investment into our zero touch product. Our software is already done. We have invested good amount on that. Another, we have a fixed deposit are for bank guarantees and the EMD what we submit while during the tender process. So we have a good balance sheet and the ratios. Next. Our cash flow, operational cash flow is because we are profitable companies, so operational cash flow is very positive way, and so net cash flow is running very positively. Next. Now coming to the just issue highlights before we closing the presentation part and before moving to the question answer. This fresh issue size is completely 15,75,200 equities, and the price band is 147 to 155, as the upper price around issue size IPO size is 24 crore point 42 crores. This is anchor opening bidding is 29 September, and the issue is opening on 30th September, closing on 3rd of October, and tentative listing date is 8th of October. Next, please. Now, last things in which is important always the all investor are interested that what is our objects where we use the money and how we progress in the future. So, friends, we are very clear about our futuristic plan and fund utilization. So, our patented technology zero touch. We will using the around 3.75 crores into developing our machines, and we are going to generate the revenue from this machine is per students per paper basis. We are not going to sell this machine to the any institutes or education initiatives. Second, we are growing. We have a scale into the business, so we need a large team also. So we have another objects to buy a laptop, computer, and server. In DRHP and RHP documents, we have a precisely mentions about laptops and them configurations. Another things we are working into the B2G government business. So our one of issues that when we file the tender, we need to give a EMD, and once the tender is received, we have to give a bank guarantees. So we have a plan for crore rupees for our EMD. So we can file as much as more tender, and when you file a more tender, when you bid a more tender, you have a possibility of the business getting business is much more higher on that. And we are working capitals is much more required because our as per our business policies, we have a receivable of payment is around 3 to 4 months in a 2 to 3 months in a private, and in governments we have around 4 to 5 months cycle. So we have a plan 8.5 8 crore 58 lakhs as a working capitals objects. So other rest is a GCP. So this is what about our companies and our object size and issue of the object purpose. And friends, definitely we are once the fund is receives our expansion plan, we have mentioned in object that we are going to open our presence in India, starting from the Bangalore, Silicon Valley of India. We will set up so we can give a more supports in terms of the language, in terms of the local presence in the south region. Then we will jump to the Delhi. We have already covered our neighboring state, Gujarat to puts the Maharashtra and MP, and then we will focus on Rajasthan as well as. And once we are very good presence into the India, we will jump to the futuristic into the our objects we have mentioned. We will also go in international setups in Gulf countries. So this is what we have about our company, and I would like to again thanks to all of you for your valuable time and coming for the virtual IPO meet. Now let's open for question answer. Before question answer, Nikunj would like to share anything?
No, everything is covered. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So
So,
yes, Mr. Nair, we are
yeah.
open for a question answer.
So, dear participants, the floor is now open for Q&A session. I request all the participants to post your questions in the comment box. So, the first question we have is from Mr. Yash Mistry. He's asking, what have been the most pivotal milestones in the company's 17-year journey, and how have they shaped your current strategy?
Okay, so yes, I think yes is good questions from your side. While journey of our industry, sorry, with our industry in 17 years, so currently our team have very good expertise in technology and domain knowledge of our ERP. So this is help us to scale in terms of we can now able to handle multiple projects at a times, and we are very much aligned with the technology, new technology. We have a experience of 17 years, so we have a seen old technology also, and we are working with the new technology. So this experience helping us to move quickly while adopting the new technology whenever it is coming a market. And our R&D team are always focusing, so any new challenges coming we can adapt and we can scale on that. So these are the achievement are helping us to grow into next stage.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Miss Nishita Shanklesha. She's asking what led to the margin growth from FY20 through FY23 to FY24, and what are the sustainable margins? The order book of around 56 crore is as of when, and when will it be executed? If you can give us your current order book.
Okay, so Nishita, the answer to your questions that the financial year how our growth is increased from 23 to 24. So the till 23 where our team is working into the lot of the things about the ERP solutions we were implementing into the solution. In 24, our NEP ERPs get implemented, and we had from very good value added money from the existing government customer. We have received different new orders also. So due to that our expense remains same, because our major expense are from employee and salaries, that not much increase as per our revenues increase, because almost 23 to 24 our revenues get double, and our salaries expenses are not much that increased. So that is product is ready, and that's help us to create a good margin. and in same we maintain into the 25 also, because as we have almost the same expenses into the salaries and maintaining of that. So this is what our USP, that we are able to maintain the cost effective solutions, and we are able to give a better services to customer. So with help of new client and existing clients, revenues increase, our margin is good. About the second question, that out of 56 crore turnover, 56 crore order book, this is for next 2 years. So this will be out of them, few will be executed into the financial year, this financial year, then the next financial year, and few part will go to the 27 financial year. So this is definitely this financial year I have a more bunch than the around 30-40% are for the next financial year, and around 20% are in next to next financial year. So within 2 years we have to complete this current order book, and we have a client who have a more than 3 to 10 years of the contract also. So other pipeline is also very well created, and we have a bidded on a good amount. We also mentioned this how many tenders we have bidded so far in document also. So we have another good pipeline is getting created.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So next question is from Mr. Ankit. He's asking AI-enabled ERP और zero touch DaaS SaaS जैसे products का long term monetization plan क्या है?
मिस्टर अंकित, हमारा जो AI एनेबल ERP है, उसमें आपको अगर इफ यू नो वेरी वेल दैट यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन UGC, गुजरात इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की जो बॉडी है, वो एवरी यूनिवर्सिटीज को ग्रांट करती है. सो उस पर एज पर देम डेटा अराउंड 1200 universities there, and as of now we are just covering being a top leader into the India in education ERP. We have around 38 university. So our plan is to capture as much as university in next 2 years. We are planning around 200 or 250 plus universities to be captured on our portfolio in next 2 years. And this is what plan for an AI enable ERP. And the second, zero touch. Currently our question paper delivery system is already running into the various university. So once our 150 device, 150 machines will ready, we will deploy for question paper. And if I'll say about market size of the zero touch, as per the again UGC data, more than 16 crore students are in India in higher education, and every students are give exams for 2 years, 2 times in a years, and on an average 5 paper they have to give. So if you cumulative 5 paper into 2 in a year, so around 10 paper any students are giving into the exams. Around 16 crore students are there. So 160 crore question paper are getting printed every year. So this is the what zero touch we can achieve on that. So out of them are we have a very prominent solutions. So we want to step by step, we try to capture 10%, 20% market share, what currently manual is going on. And this product is not available in India. So the once our patent get published, we are only company in India who are giving us this solution. So as fast as we achieve this market is good for company also.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Tanishk Shinde. He's asking, how do your ISO certifications influence product development, client trust, and operational processes?
Mr. Shinde, ISO certifications, like normally it's not influence much more directly, but this process is required when you do a product development. Any IT product development, the process is very important to follow to give a consistency and reliability of the solution. So in this area, our company is aligning with the 27001. So 27001, which is security ISO certified. So when we follow this solution, it is helping for making a data security. So clients we have a government clients, we have a private client, and those clients who have them business are growing stage. They have a reputation into this business. So data security is the big concern, and everyone wants that how our data is secure. So this certifications is as credential definitely give a good help to generate the customer trust, and operational process are more aligned when we scale in a larger size. So definitely, Mr. Sinde, this is helping us for aligning the process when we are scaling with the team size and generating the client trust.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Sudeep Shastri. He's asking, what roles do the founders play every day to steer the company forward?
Sandeep, you know that the founders have a 24 hours roles when they are in company. So there is some specific alignment and specific guidelines or the role responsibility we distributed between the founders and directors, that one will take care about the technology, one will take about the growth of business, and one as our employees is raw material, so other take about the development of the team. This is the defined role, but founder always be on a need to take a line that how the company is growing. That is always the focus. As a myself, I am a programmer, I'm technical, Nikun is also technical, so I keep eye on the bird view of the companies with the aligning of the data, either we are moving on a right directions. There is no much more issues is coming into the operational, so operation is smooth. I am focused also on customer review, that my customer are satisfied or not, because satisfaction of the customer is also important. And HR, where we understood that happy employees, happy team members make a customer more happy. So normally these are the basic roles, and now other responsibilities getting much more aligned when we are listed. Compliance part, give a better results to investors. Focusing, we have to now one more things we have to thought about the what investor are thinking, what them expectation is there, and how we are compliance with the SEBI's and the stock exchange guideline. So overall, I can say that founder play the role, strategic execution and the futuristic roadmap.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Ojas. How do collaborations with major clients strengthen your market credibility and industry?
Yes, Mr. Badami, you have a questions that how do collaborations with a major client strengthen your market and credibility and industry's trust? Hello, Nikunj, am I online? Yeah. Am I audible? Mr. Nair, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay.
Hello.
So, Mr. Badami, so currently major client strength into the market capabilities, as large clients we have a definitely helping other clients to be onboarded. For example, as I mentioned that we have a good client from Gujarat University, in the University of Gujarat, right, where North Gujarat Patan University is there. So which is in terms of number of students and area wise, it is one of the biggest university in Gujarat. So if you university, definitely our product strength so that how we are stable, how we are scalable, how we are secure. So other client are trust us much more. As many as we collaborate with the larger client in a state wise, let's example we have a now collaborations with the Madhya Pradesh government and higher education department, so which is the top priority, top body of all the education university in Madhya Pradesh. So now am I aligned with the education department, so other 18 universities have a much more trust that our parent body is using our solution from Infinity, so they can help us to enter into the market very quickly. So definitely, sir, if we have a major client that help us to create good credibility. For example, today if you know the client name and I say that this is my customer, so that is also my trust is for you that okay they are working with a good client, and that's create credibility about the company and product.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Miss Shreya Desai. She's asking, which segment do you expect to drive growth?
Shreya, definitely our currently segment is education. In specifically in educations, we working into the ERP, online exam, and zero touch. So we are going to work into the parallel in entire education industries. But zero touch and our ERP will have a more bright futures into next 5 years. So this will drive into the a very strong top line into our books.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Miss Lavanya Balakrishnan. She's asking, in terms of R&D, especially AI and ML, how do you see it helping maintain a competitive advantage over the next 3 to 5 years?
Lavanya, so see, AI and ML now it's become a necessity. There was a time that it can be accounted as a luxurious, but now AI ML is always when you have a SaaS product, when you have a ERP product. So the AI ML is the key. So our R&D team have already implemented and now they are also improving much more solution on that. So when my ERP is aligned with AI and ML, it is helped me to showcase prominent benefits to my customers in terms of
I think BIOS disconnected.
Yeah.
Yes,
So you want to take the questions? You can
yes,
go
sure.
ahead, sir.
In terms of R&D and especially AI/ML, how do you see it helping maintain competitive advantage over the next 3 5 years? Yes, in our we have a research team in house. We are research what is the problem in market and what our solution is help to based on the help of AI and ML. सो बेसिकली मैं आपको एग्जांपल के साथ थोड़ा बताऊं कि एक एग्जांपल दूं कि जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है कि इनका जो अभी जो इंक्वायरी वगैरह जनरेट होता है, तो मैं एक एग्जांपल के साथ आपको देता हूँ कि इंक्वायरी जो जनरेट होती है, तो उनको हज़ारों में इंक्वायरी आती है और उसमें से एडमिशन हंड्रेड्स होते हैं, तो उनको नेक्स्ट ईयर चैलेंजेस आती है। तो वहाँ पे हमारी जो सिस्टम वगैरह है, रिसर्च टीम है, उसमें वो लगाया है कि जो भी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है, उनको जो 100 एडमिशन हुआ, तो उनका नेक्स्ट ईयर का जो मार्केटिंग प्लान बना देगा नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए कि आपको जो एडमिशन मिल रहा है वो इस एरिया से मिल रहा है, आपको इस बैकग्राउंड से एडमिशन ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, तो वो पूरा एआई उनका रिसर्च करके उनको मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी बना देगा।
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Rajesh. He's asking, considering large multi-campus universities and complex industrial clients, please outline how scalable your ERP solutions are.
Mr. Rajesh, as you have multi-campus initiatives and complex industrial client, currently I'll give you examples. We are maintaining our ERP are implemented already with the one of the largest initiative of India have a more than 3 lakh students in a single university. So that is already implemented with the large universities. Other have a 2 lakh students in a single university. So if you say that 2 lakh students, if you count that number of datas they are implemented in terms of question paper, in terms of results, in terms of answer sheet, in terms of various day-to-day analysis of attendance. So our solution is already capable for that. And in industrial, we have a clients who have a turnover is more than 1000 crore, 2000 crore. Every day a lot of invoices getting generated, lot of transaction in the bank is getting generated. So this solution are very well aligned. And now to scale into the large different initiatives or large different clients, our credential and our expertise help to acquire more client in a similar size or even a more size also. So our sales team are focusing into the techno commerce teams we have. So while giving or like giving a demo, they are very much aligned with them problems, and we are always not providing the solution to the client. Sorry, not providing software to the client. Our always the focus is that how our software benefit to them for the solution and how they get benefit of our solution. So this strategy are always helping us to scale into the larger client.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from. I think we can move on. Okay. सर नेक्स्ट 4 साल में क्या क्या
Hello.
चैलेंज आएंगे और आप कैसे सोल्यूशन करेंगे
सर नेक्स्ट चैलेंजेस तो अभी हम प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते, बट कोई भी बिजनेस है तो डेफिनेटली चैलेंज आने ही वाली है। अभी हम 17 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, तो 17 साल में भी काफी हमने चैलेंजेस देखी है। तो हमारे बिजनेस में मेजर दो तरह की से चैलेंज आती है। एक है कि नई टेक्नोलॉजी आई तो हम उसको कैसे क्विकली अडेप्ट करें। तो अभी तक हमने करीबन 5-6 टाइप के चैलेंजेस 5-6 टाइम्स हमने टेक्नोलॉजी को अपग्रेड कर चुके हैं, बिकॉज आईटी में हर 2 साल नई नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाती है। तो आने वाले टाइम पे भी नई टेक्नोलॉजी आने वाली है और वो चैलेंज भी आने वाली है, बट वी आर यूज टू दैट हाउ वी कैन अपडेट एडेप्ट द क्विकली एंड इम्प्लाई। सेकंड है जहां पे ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है, मतलब एम्प्लॉयज के साथ ज्यादा काम करना है, तो जेन जेड जो आज के टाइम पे न्यू जनरेशन है उनके साथ काम करना सबसे बड़ी चैलेंजेस लोगों को होती है। तो उसके लिए वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी दैट टॉप मैनेजमेंट एंड फाउंडर आर ऑलवेज बी ए यंग in terms of the thought. Companies always be a young in terms of the thought. So when you have experience, but you have to keep young about the thoughts, so you can adjust with the new generation Gen Z people, because they are coming with the creative ideas. They want solution in very short time. They are very attention seeker. So these people, to working with these people is might be a challenges, but our top management, our companies always be think about the future of team. So we are aligning. We think that this two major challenge can become, but we are very ready with that type of challenges to overcome.
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So next question is from Mr. Prem Singhania. He's asking which new geographies are your top priorities and what is your go-to market strategy there?
Mr. Singania, I have explained to presentation. I'm just repeating it again. That currently our top priority as of now is Gujarat, Maharashtra, and MP, Rajasthan. So this west is part of India. We are currently in top priority, and the next second priority is our South, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, and Kerala is our top priority. Where so for that, our market is we are opening offices into the Bangalore, and we have a marketing plan participating into the expo. So we have very well defined our complete go-to marketing strategy into our presentation and documentation also. And third state we will move to the north and the other part of areas, and then we will once we will capture, then we will planning to move into the international market. So this is the geographically priorities we are planning as of now.
Thank you so much for answering that, sir. Next question. So next question is from Mr. Ishan Desai. He's asking कंपनी के ऑर्डर बुक से नेक्स्ट 12 महीने में कितना रेवेन्यू कन्वर्ट होने का प्लान है?
सर अभी जो हमारी ऑर्डर बुक है वो 55 करोड़ की अराउंड है, जो हमें 2 साल में कंप्लीट करना है. सो नेक्स्ट 12 मंथ में आप प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हो अराउंड 20 टू 25 के आसपास उसमें से ऑर्डर कन्वर्ट हो सकते हैं. एंड देन द नेक्स्ट ईयर कम कन्वर्ट होते सकते हैं, बाकी के few will remaining will goes to the third year.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Next question is from Mr. Vedant Shetty. He's asking, what will the post-issue shareholding structure look like?
So yeah, so currently we are promoter have a 96.33 shareholding, and we have raised the pre round in December 24. So we have currently 3 point something in a public. So the post issue will be around 70% holding a promoter and the 30% is with the public.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. So the next question is from Mr. Arav Banerjee. He's asking, how sustainable is your 47% EBITDA margin, and what are your long-term profitability targets?
So, sir, Mr. Arav, we are with the good margin ratio in IT, and our product are very marginable. So, to maintain 47 is not too easy job, but our strategy of cost-effective solutions and major is impacting how scale we do about our more revenue from the business, how we convert our current order book to quick into the real sales. So that is the currently we are working, and it is our currently focus. And in the future, definitely we'll try to keep the same margin what we have achieved so far. So it will be a good for investor also and for a company future also.
Thank you so much, sir. Mr. Tanishk Shinde says, thank you for answering all my questions. Wish you all the best for the IPO.
Thank you so much,
Mr.
all of you.
Yeah, thank you, sir, and all the best for your IPO.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your time and inputs.